Carol.
Rain was falling with
Carol.
a temperature of 63.
Carol.
It was cloudy with a temperature.
Carol.
Severe thunderstorm warning for western Guernsey County in east central Ohio, Coshocton County in east central Ohio, Muskegon County in east central Ohio, northwestern Carroll County in east central Ohio, Tuscaloosa County in east central Ohio, northwestern Noble County in east central Ohio, until 3:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:21 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles northeast of Hayesville to 10 miles south of Lancaster, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Tuscaloosa, Coshocton, Plainfield, New Guilford, Philo, Cambridge, Strasburg, Barnhill, Frizzeisburg, Chandlersville, Ruraldale, Pleasant Grove, Bridgetto, Blue Rock State Park, Pleasant City, Cooperdale, Warsaw, North Zanesville, Campbellville, and Port Washington. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Ohio near mile marker 143, in between mile markers 145 and 183. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 39 and 94. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Carroll and Tuscaloosa. This is no